Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Look at me. My name is not Patrick, but I still live in the sea. If you look at that side, you could probably put a couple eyes there and do Patrick Starfish. But I'm not Patrick. I'm a starfish. So look at this, guys and gals. We have a starfish now. Do you see the theme? Do you see the theme? Somebody dropped off an entire set of ocean-y type creatures that are puppets, that are hand puppets. This is going to be a tight one too. And of course, it doesn't help that it's the summertime and it's a little warm in the room here, and my hands are sweating. So, hang on a second. I think that's pretty much it there. Look at this. It's a sea tortoise. Look at him. He can't pull his head in, but he can swim. He can swim, or he can crawl on the ground. Okay. So we've got a sea tortoise. Now, if I was really able to do it, I could probably do this. Let me see if it'll work. Okay, a pinky, a thumb. I think they have it set up that way. Another finger. Hang on. I think I can do it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. I'm able to wiggle the, use the all five of my finger, all five digits on my hand to create an active tortoise, just like that. Oh yeah, this is cool. Getting the puppet off is a little tricky, but there it is. My new set of puppets. It was $3, just like that. So I have the tortoise. I'm going to slide them back so you can see them all. The tortoise. The not Patrick starfish. We have the lobster with the claws, and then we have the cool octopi, or is it a squid? It's probably more of an octopi. I guess octopi is the plural. You guys will tell me. But there it is, my collection of new puppets for $3. That is cool. Very cool. Hey, thank you very much for joining me on this grab bag special. The people who have been here before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll give you all the updates as they come along. And make sure it stays there. Come on, come on, come on. Perfect. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.